here we go, guys. Back again. We're live at 6:53. I have 10 spots on this one as well that I am going to copy and take over to random here in just a second. Playing for a really nice Hoth Stormtrooper and Lord Business there. First place gets them both. I'm going to paste our 10 spots in round channel. Going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better to play, which we did. We got a 7. So we're battling. No turning back now. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Nate, round 1 and 2. Brad takes round 3. Carlos in the top spot for round 4 and 5. Brad again on top in our next to last round, round 6 with number 9, bringing us to the final round. Here we go. Good luck, guys. It's anybody's game at this point. And our winner is Robert Gilmore in at number 8. Congrats, Robert. Here's the verification. NNHQZDub is our verification code. Robert in at number 8 is the champ of this battle. I'm done at 6:54. As you can see right there. Bam. There's the verification one last time. Congrats to our winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.